Guys, I just got 7 subscribers right now with 3 videos, 2 shorts and 1 video. And I recently shared about my deleted video or YouTube videos, over 12,000 subscribers. And I'm so happy guys that you guys are rooting for me, are watching for my update about my first ever YouTube channel from scratch. So I want you to focus on this. And I want to share with you how YouTube works for small creators like me. If you stay consistent with your niche right now and you got 1 subscribers, that 1 subscribers will change your life. Because someone right there is watching you. Someone is waiting for you to upload more videos with your niche. And that's how YouTube works. If you don't give up on what niche right now you have in your mind, just continue it. And if you see the result or if it's working, just post consistently with that niche. I'm telling you right now, that's how I started my 12K subscribers on my deleted YouTube channel. So just keep pushing that niche until you got the results. If it doesn't work, change your niche. But if it's work or you have the feeling that it's working, just continue that niche. And I hope you will succeed. We will succeed.